Welcome to Peaches and Cream. Today we're going to make banana bread. You can also make muffins with this recipe. I'm going to make some of each today. This banana bread is soft, moist, and super fluffy. It's almost like a banana cake. As always, the recipe will be in the description box. Alright, so let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine 8 ounces of cream cheese and 3/4 of a cup or 1.5 sticks of soft butter. Beat these until smooth. Add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Start your mixer on low and beat for about 30 seconds and then increase the speed to medium. When it's well combined, add 2 eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Scrape down the sides with a spatula and then give it a couple more seconds mixing to get the last of the lumps. Now we're going to mash 3 large bananas. You can use 4 if your bananas are really small. You don't need to make it perfectly smooth. Bits of banana in the bread are pretty and delicious as well. Set the mashed bananas aside and combine in a separate bowl 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure to spoon the flour into the measuring cup and then level it off with the flat side of a knife. Don't scoop the flour with the measuring cup or you'll have too much flour in the recipe and the bread will turn out too dense. Now add the flour mixture to the creamed mixture and mix on low until almost incorporated, and increase the speed to medium or high to get the batter smooth. Don't overmix. Once it's smooth, that's plenty of mixing. Scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl to make sure that it's thoroughly incorporated. Add the mashed banana and also add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and mix this until smooth. Again, scrape down the sides of the bowl just to make sure that you have every little bit of the banana incorporated into the rest of the batter. This recipe will make 2 8-inch loaves, but today I'm making a 10.5-inch long loaf and 7 muffins. Prepare the pan by greasing with cooking spray and lining the bottom with parchment paper. The parchment is optional. I like to use it because it eliminates any chance of sticking. Fill the pan or pans about 2/3 of the way full and spread the batter out evenly. Bake for about an hour. Because I'm baking a few muffins today, I've lined my muffin pan with paper liners and filled each cup with about 1/4 cup of batter. The muffins only need to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let them cool a bit in the pan before either serving or removing to a wire rack to cool completely. banana bread should be done after about an hour. If it's not done, give it another 5 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's set and golden brown. You can do the toothpick test if you want. It should have moist crumbs attached. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before running a knife around the edges and dumping it out on the wire rack to cool. You can serve this bread warm or room temperature. I'm serving mine warm today with cream cheese, which is, in my opinion, the best way to eat this bread, although it's amazing in any way, shape, or form. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.